Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that fix most issues fast. First, open the volume panel and raise the media and call sliders. This rules out simple muting. Once done, toggle Do Not Disturb and check the ringer versus media outputs so you know which channel is affected. Make sure Bluetooth is off and unplug any accessories. Phones often route sound externally. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. These steps quickly narrow the cause, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now you run software-focused diagnostics to isolate the issue. Update the operating system and any media apps because outdated drivers cause audio faults. Clear the specific app cache if only one app is quiet. This resolves corrupt temp files. Next, boot into safe mode or switch to a guest profile to see if third-party apps interfere. Use the phone's built-in sound test or a reputable audio test app to exercise speakers and microphones. This tells you whether it's hardware or software. Finish with hardware verification and decisive actions. Inspect speaker and microphone openings for lint or dust and gently clean with a soft brush or compressed air. Blockages reduce volume. If software steps failed, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent firmware issues. Once reset, test volume again. If sound remains absent, connect a headset or Bluetooth speaker to confirm the internal speaker is at fault. If it is, seek professional repair. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.